Life is full of surprises and challenges, but finding that special someone to share it with can make all the difference. The journey towards love and companionship is a personal one, and choosing to recognize the signs when you're ready to welcome a girlfriend into your life is needful. That's why, in this video, we'll be discussing some of the most telling indicators that you're prepared for a meaningful relationship. Sign number 1. You're emotionally available. Being emotionally available is crucial to forming a healthy, lasting relationship. This means being open to both giving and receiving love, as well as being able to manage your emotions in a mature manner. Emotional availability also involves being in tune with your feelings and understanding your needs and boundaries. The ability to express your emotions healthily and empathize with others shows that you're prepared to form a deep and meaningful connection with a partner. Sign number 2. You crave emotional intimacy. One of the primary signs that you may need a girlfriend is when you find yourself craving emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the deep connection and understanding you share with someone, and it is one essential aspect of a healthy relationship. If you often find yourself seeking someone to share your thoughts, feelings, and dreams with, this might be an indication that you're ready for a girlfriend. This desire for emotional intimacy could manifest itself in different ways. Perhaps you find yourself daydreaming about having deep conversations with a partner, or wishing there was someone who truly understood and appreciated you for who you are. You might also notice that your friendships, while valuable, don't provide the level of emotional support you need, leaving you longing for a romantic relationship to fill that void. Sign number 3. You're emotionally available. Being emotionally available is crucial to forming a healthy, lasting relationship. This means being open to both giving and receiving love, as well as being able to manage your emotions in a mature manner. Emotional availability also involves being in tune with your feelings and understanding your needs and boundaries. The ability to express your emotions healthily and empathize with others shows that you're prepared to form a deep and meaningful connection with a partner. Sign number 4. Your social life feels incomplete. While friends and family can provide a strong support system, there comes a point when your social life might feel incomplete without a romantic partner. For example, you may notice that most of your friends are in relationships, and you're the only one left single. Attending social events without a partner can start to feel awkward or lonely, and this could be a sign that it's time for you to find a girlfriend to share these experiences with. Also, you might find yourself yearning for a companion to attend weddings, parties, or vacations with. Someone who can be by your side during both the fun times and the challenging moments. As your social circle begins to revolve more around couples' activities, the desire for a girlfriend to be a part of your life may grow stronger. Sign number 5. You want to share your life with someone. Another sign that you may need a girlfriend is the desire to share your life with someone. From mundane daily routines to your biggest achievements, having a partner by your side can make life feel more fulfilling. If you catch yourself imagining what it would be like to have a girlfriend to share these moments with, it's a strong indicator that you're ready for a relationship. This desire to share your life might include envisioning cooking dinners together, discussing your day with someone who genuinely cares, or simply cuddling on the couch while watching your favorite show. It's about finding a person who can be your confidant, best friend, and lover, all wrapped into one, making your life richer and more enjoyable. Remember that the key to any successful partnership is a genuine connection and mutual understanding. That's all for today, guys. I will meet you with next valuable videos. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.